Welcome back.
Hello there.
Another episode of Sly Customs, and this time we've been away from the Challenger
For quite some time.
for a while. We've been trying to figure out Frankenshop's wiring, and I don't know if you'll see this video first before we figure that out entirely, but
Probably.
as of right now, we are still scratching our head on Frankenshop. So anyway, we decided this Saturday we come over here and help Dad out. And let me pick you up here. It's a little bit different than you may remember last time you saw. Dad has been busy without us in the meantime. As you can see, the rear end is together. I think he went with 355 gears, and that's all put together.
Get the backing plates put back on.
The axles are in there. I think he even, he's got new drums sitting around somewhere. And then also, let's go, Andrew, oh yeah, you guys are gonna see some cool parts today. Uh-oh. Sneak peek.
Spoiler.
Andrew, the crown jewel here.
Unveil.
You guys haven't seen this in its current state. Dun 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 dun. Oh, baby. So we're getting...
Copyright.
Did you go to Star Wars?
I did.
So yeah, we're getting stoked. Dad's stoked. And today we're hoping to make some progress on some measuring, some double checking, some fitting, and if we play our cards right, maybe some...
Don't even say it.
You're right. Who knows what we're gonna get into? But bottom line, stick around, rock and roll.
Along for the ride.
So, first order of business, now that the old butte is up in the air, we're gonna try to get the flywheel on.
Well,
Oh yeah, we gotta get the pilot bearing
we gotta
in.
get the pilot bearing in. So, we cleaned this out. Looks pretty good. We don't have anything
We don't have a bearing driver.
right. So,
We also don't have an appropriately sized socket.
here comes the hackery.
But we do have
A hacksaw.
a hacksaw, and a 1972 318 water pump.
That this pilot bearing
Fits pretty nicely into the end of.
just slides right in there.
So that's going to be our bearing driver, and we'll see if we can put a square cut on that. And then, as always, wish us luck.
Give her a little taparoo. Man, we're there.
Yeah. Hit one more in the top right. right. So, as you saw, we took some measurements with our dial indicator.
Yes.
And we found out that that bore is not in perfect line with the center line of our crankshaft. But we have excellent instructions per the kit that Dad bought, and looks like we need to order some offset
Misalignment shims, pins.
New dowel pins that are gonna make this hole nicely in line with that hole. That's the idea. So, since that means, let's see if I can turn this around. Since that means we need to order some parts, I think we're gonna shift gears,
Do some more body work.
and yeah, bust the angle grinder back out, because that's how we roll. And it's been too long, and maybe cut this automatic junk out of here and weld in this 4-speed junk, and then cut the 4-speed junk out to fit our 5-speed junk. Yeah, we haven't told you yet. That's a TKO 600. TREMEC TKO 600. So that's a lot of transmission, and it's a 5-speed, and it doesn't fit. So
It doesn't fit.
angle grinder time. Whoop whoop.
Yep.
Get hyped.
Like, get hyped.
Let's get dirty and itchy for Dad's car. Step 1. Dad's gonna cut out the automatic junk as he runs away. Well, guys, I think that's where we're going to end it off today. We always had high aspirations.
We
And,
really do. I mean, we cut the floor. You saw the floor. It got cut. We're just...
There's a lot of mocking up that needs to happen before we like weld that new piece in. Like it'd be nice to have the engine and tranny together so we can put it in there, make sure we have enough room, and so on and so forth. But anyway,
not only together, but mounted, because the tranny that he bought actually mounts in a stock location. So that's how we're going to place and make sure that the engine is where it wants to be.
yeah, there's a lot of
But our engine mounts are shot, and we didn't have the material and stuff to make engine mounts right now. So it's like, I don't know. There's a lot of little things that need done before we get to the big things that are exciting. So
it's a challenge around every corner. We,
yeah,
as always, don't really know what we're doing. Never done it before, so that's just how it goes sometimes. But we're excited. We cut another hole in the floor, got the angle grinder back out. That's always fun. And
my tool of choice, it seems to be.
yeah, weapon of choice.
Yeah.
But we'll keep plugging along. Hope you guys enjoy and let us know what you think. And catch you in the next one.
See ya. It has been a blast. We appreciate you watching.
Yes, as always. And if you want to support the channel, feel free to give us a subscribe.
Right here.
And if you want to see more of the project we worked on today,
Move it over here.
and if you want to see any of the other ill-guided automotive antics on the channel,
Click his gut.
or potentially here.
Right over space.
Thank you guys as always for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.